Hello, my dear children. Let us begin with chapter 6, English language. What is the name of the chapter? Let us revise naming words. Names of everything, every person. These words are naming words. Everything around us has a name. What is this machine that you see over here? This is a laptop. Same way. For example, animals, birds, persons, things, places. Everything you see around you has a particular name. A name is given to everything you see. Let us revise what you have learned before. Names of animals. Do you remember you had learned this from a chapter? Which animal is this? This is a zebra. Which animal is this? This is an elephant. So you know this animal is not called a dog. So everything that you see has a particular name. Names of birds. Which bird is this? Do you remember this green color bird? This is a parrot. And this one is a sparrow. Names of persons. This one is a child. And this one is a grandfather. Child is offering tea or coffee to his grandfather. Who is this? This is a mother. So the persons that you see around you, maybe this one you can call as your brother. So this one is your dadu, grandfather. Everything around you has a name. Names of things. What is this? This is a bus. What is this? Which fruit is this? Very popular during this season. This is a mango. Names of places. Which building is this? Do you remember? This is your school. And this one is a airport. Naming words are called nouns. The names that are given to every particular thing that you see. The naming words. The words used to name anything. Can you say what is this? This is your English language book. Yes. What is this? This is a pencil box. What is this? This is a fan. With all the above mentioned examples, it is very clear that everything has a definite name. Naming words are called nouns. Mother, sparrow, mango, school, elephant. Every bird, every animal, every fruit, every flower, every person and every place has a name, and naming words are called nouns. Be very sure about this sentence, okay? You have to know this. Naming words. Everything that you see around you, every name is a noun. Now we see the English language book, page number 14. Okay. So what we have to do, I am very sure about the lockdown. So many of you have already reported that you don't have the books. Please do not worry. This is just a revision. About this chapter we will be not doing anything in the copy, because these things are already done, and this is a revision of chapter 2 to chapter 5. So we need not do this in the copy anymore. Whenever you get your books, please do this in the book itself. Help your children to do. Children, take help from this video. If you don't understand anything, you are free to ask me. This is exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters. You have to think, what is this? Mango. So M-A-N-G-O. Mango. What is this? This is deer. D-E-E-R. What is this? This is a bus. What is this? This is a hut. So you have to write the correct spellings. Next, circle the names of things. The pencil is in the bag. So what is the things over here? Pencil and bag. Next, the table is there. What is there? Which thing? Table. I have a big cup. What do I have? I have a big cup. Mother has a bag. You have to circle the names of things. So, bag. Exercise C. Match the names with pictures. Who is this? He is holding a syringe and wearing a uniform. Who is this? With the uniform you can easily identify a doctor. So match it with the picture. Who is this? He is having a wonderful, tasty, yummy cake. He is a baker. And who is this? This is a nurse. So it is done. Exercise D. Take the correct names of places. I saw many animals in the animals are seen in the garden or zoo. Zoo. Next one. This park or kitchen has many trees. Kitchen has many vessels but doesn't have trees. So park. I go to the hospital or park when I am sick. You should always go to the hospital, not to the park. I play in the garden or roof with my friend. Garden. My road or school is very far. If your road is far, then school is farthest. So, school. Color the balloons and caps in the picture. So you have to color this. This is not to be done just today. You will take your time and you will do this, okay? Now exercise F. Write the names of 4 things and 4 persons that you see in the above picture. First we will write the 4 things. What do you see? What is there? This one? Cake. And what is lit over here on the cake? It is a candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. Next, maybe we can write cap. So birthday cap, but we'll write cap. All are starting with C. Next one, what do you write? We can write cup with C. We can write cookies, but we will write balloons. What is the spelling of balloon? B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Now persons. This is a birthday boy. We'll relate everyone on this picture with this boy. Who is this? He can be the father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Who is this? Mother. Who is this? Brother. And who is this? Sister. You can write boy and girl, but we are using the name of relation. With this, we come to the end of chapter 6. This is only a revision of chapter 1 to 5. You need not do this in the copy. Thank you. Keep watching and learning.